How's it going? Sorry for taking forever on uploading a video, right? It's just really hard talking to a camera. You kind of seem a little crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know how YouTubers do it, but here I am, right? Talking to a camera and trying to see all of y'all's reactions, right? So I've been seeing all the comments. Don't think just because I don't reply, I don't care. I do. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I'm gonna do a better job on uploading videos, right? So yeah, my main focus for this channel is to try to develop the keen eye, right? I'm gonna be using big words sometimes. A keen eye on the aerospace world and the aeronautic world, right? So there's two different things, right? Aerospace and aeronautics, right? Planes, air, and spaceships, right? So what I want to do is try to get both of them together, right? As an aircraft mechanic and a spaceship aerospace technician, right? I saw the similarities, but it just never merged, right? Sure, you have some A&P mechanics already working in the aerospace industry, but a lot of people, when they go for their A&P, don't really try to focus on aerospace. They think that aerospace technicians are not a thing, right? They only think engineers, aerospace engineering is the way to do it, but no. There is a technician route, which is the integration technician, right? So they're not gonna go out and say, oh, A&P mechanic, right? No, it's gonna say aerospace technician or integration technician, but everything you do in the A&P world reflects to the aerospace technician world, right? So just again, keen factors in that. My main focus is to highlight what are the similarities, right? In aeronautics, you make rigid lines. Well, the rigid lines that you're making in aeronautics are the prop lines you're making in aerospace, right? So again, I'm just here to bridge the gap, right? And maybe try to see if we can get some A&Ps in the aerospace field, and maybe some aerospace technicians certified on the A&P, right? Because what I've seen so far, it's kind of haywire, right? Is people with like different skills coming to aerospace and growing there, but when they leave aerospace, what do, right? Are they going to go to another aerospace company, or if they get their A&P, right, they can just jump into the civil aviation, which is like maybe a Boeing or American Airlines, you know. There's a big world, right, on both of these, but we need to connect it, right? So again, if there's somebody already doing it, awesome. If not, well, here I am, right? Sorry if this video comes out pretty weird. Again, my first time doing anything, right? I'm doing my own editing. I got my camera. I don't even know how to use it. You know, I'm literally Googling and YouTubing how to use a camera. I know, kind of crazy, but I mean, you know, it's all about expectations, right? And I'm expecting to do great things with this, but that's just me, right? I could probably just do this and then the next day not even try to get up and do it, right? But I mean, that's why we try it. We try and then you fail. And if you fail, you get to decide if you want to keep trying or you want to move on to something else, right? But yeah, so it is really hard. I can give the props to the YouTubers because, wow, trying to talk to a camera in your room is kind of crazy, right? So here I am doing it for you guys. So yeah, this is just my intro video, right, to Quetzalco. If you're wondering why I named my channel after Quetzalcoatl, right, the mythical Aztec god, right? My big thing is I was starting a drone company, right? So what I wanted to do with that drone company is pretty much surveillance and schematics and do other things with drones, right? I love drones. It's more of an RC thing, right? You want to fly something or you want to control a little car. I love that. So yeah, I'm obsessed with drones. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make my own drone company. Well, fast forward to today, I have my LLC for my Quetzalco company, which is, as you guessed it, named after the Aztec god, because I thought about it, right? Technology, flying, mythical creatures, right? So Quetzalcoatl is known for bringing knowledge to humans, right? And yeah, I thought my drones, it's kind of the same thing, right? You know, you have advanced technology flying through the skies, bringing information down, right? Again, I know it's cheesy. I just fell in love with it, and again, this is not a good photo. I'm still editing some stuff, right? But yeah, I want to do the serpent design logos. Maybe make some shirts. I don't know if you guys want to do that. Let me know. I'll try to get on my artistic work. But yeah, comment down below what you would want to see. Mainly right now, what I'm going to be focusing on is SpaceX. As you can tell, I still love that place. Working 2 years and some months there, it was my life. I mean, yeah, you work there for many hours. I don't want to disclose the amount of hours that we worked there, but it was a good amount, you know. I don't want to negate that we did some great work, but just for the mental health, it wasn't good for me. But that's just me, right? Everyone's different. Some people are go-getters. They got this all day. Me, I don't know about you. Working 12 hours a day, 6 days a week, kind of got to me after. Especially after you hit your 2-year mark, is just kind of weary, right? Especially if you come from the military. The last thing you want to do is work 12 hours a day, right? You want to get something you can work on for the rest of your life after. But again, that's just me. Everyone's different, right? I still love the place. I love all the workers. It was an amazing place, and yeah, I support them 100%. I'm still a big fan. I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't know much about them before I started working there, right? I'm just saying, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna say, oh yeah, I've been a big fan of SpaceX. They kind of just started. They kind of one day just started building right next to my house, and next thing you know, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna apply there. It sounds awesome, and next thing you know, I'm building the world's biggest rocket with some awesome people, right? So you know, it's cool stuff. Yeah, but I'm not gonna talk about the negative stuff about SpaceX. If anything, I want to talk about the awesome stuff about SpaceX, and try to pump you guys up to try to maybe join SpaceX. They do need a lot of people there, and again, I'm here to help out. The last thing I want to do is try to talk negative about one of the best projects in the world, right? And I'm not here for the politics. I'm sorry if you're gonna comment Elon Musk XYZ. I'm not here for that. I'm here as a technician slash A&P mechanic, right? That loves airplanes and spaceships, right? I'm not here for any of the politics. I understand what's going on, right? But I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about the awesomeness that we're doing, right? So if you want to talk politics, talk on a different channel, right? Because my channel is all about making the best technology out there as just a human being. You get me? Like, there's no country, religion here. Is just us making some awesome technology and just having fun with it. You get me? Like, if you're someone like me that enjoys the awesome stuff, right? You grew up watching Modern Marvels, right? You grew up watching Discovery Channel and National Geographic before it turned to reality TV. Again, I don't care. I'm not here nor there about that. But the early stuff, that's what I'm here for, right? I'm trying to bring that back a little bit and maybe report on it. You get me? And I'm here to have fun. So let's do it. Again, thank you so much for subscribing. You guys are awesome. I love every single one of y'all. Peace.